So what is Wobbly app? As you can see, it goes high in the charts. With Wobbly, you can unlock new experiences, build connections with friends from all over the world, and share unique moments and precious memories, whether with family, friends, or others. Wobbly gives you a whole new platform to interact with them in a unique way. With Wobbly, you can easily send photos, videos, and share your travels, entertainment, daily life with others. So that's the app. There are a bunch of ratings. Average rating is quite low though. So as you can see, average rating is just 2.8, but some good reviews there. It can mean that actually maybe this app is not that good in the end. Maybe there are a bunch of apps like that which are just appearing in the app stores. They are pushed to the top charts and then they just disappear in a few weeks. So here how it works, you just have like a random video chat. You can just tap start travel and video chat with random users. Then also you have this like popular users around the just like whatever, you can just chat with them. And then yeah, you just have your profile. And then as you can see, yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you just have your settings. You can delete your account if you don't like it. Just be careful when you try to aggressively purchase coins or all of that, because as you can see, I just logged into the app. I already got in like 2 messages. You can be pretty sure that this is some automated messages or some AI chatbots, and then in the end you can be prompted to get more coins and to upgrade and all of that. So just be careful. However, maybe this app will develop in future and that there will be less fake users and more original users. But that's just like a preview for you right now. If you want to try it, get it out. I'm not sure if it's available on Android, but as you can see, it's available on iOS.